Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So yeah, today's Mother's Day. Nepali Mother's Day bhanau na because whatever. Today's Nepali Mother's Day and mama घर I already celebrated, but घरको also बाँकी छ. So now we're going downstairs to celebrate Mother's Day. So let's go. My mother doesn't know I also got her a gift, and she doesn't know that. But yeah, it's here. My friend Yukriti Jules, you can shop in our shop. So I bought her this. It's organic. It's just for her. So I did not read any cards, but nobody cares because I'm giving them tops and jewelries. So yeah, so meet you downstairs, guys. Bye. Hi, Ira. Ira. फेरि गर्नु
त्यसरी हामीले भन्नु पर्ने कसरी भन्नु ल कस्तो आवाज आउँदैन
ट्राई गर्नु
फेरि तेरो मम्मी हाँसिरहेछ
ट्राई मात्र गरौँ न
मिना मैले कस्तो ल छिटो गरी ल ल ल गर फेरि गर्छु ल कस्तो आवाज आउँदैन ल भयो अब के हुन्छ
गाडीमा चाहिँ हिँड्नु के थियो
मलाई आउँदैन के कस्तो आउँदैछ
ट्राई मात्र गर्नु ट्राई मात्र गर्नु किन अत्ताले के गर्ने के गर्नु न बाबा त गरे
प्रन्ताले त मलाई त गिजाउँछ तिमीले काम गर्दिन ल
मेरो बाबाले त गरे गर्न कि प्लिज एकचोटी
कसरी कस्तो के रे आएन आवाज के हो भन्न भन् पापाले यति अहिले आएको स्क्रिन यो
भने त ल
के भयो
उसलाई कपी गर्नुपर्छ के चाय मात्रै हो के भन्न के गर्नुपर्छ के गर्नुपर्छ ट्राई मात्रै हो कि गर्दा दिनु त कपी गर्नुपर्छ ठिक छ लाग्यो ल भन्नु Be quiet, everyone. Serious? Ira malu. Karna. Please.
मेरो त घाँटी बसिरहेछ
के हुँदैन के हामी प्लिज के ल
त्यो भने त्यहाँ सानोदेखि
ल ठिकै छ ओके नट ब्याड प्रथम गर्नु भन मिल्दैन के भन नाइस ल भन 1 2 3 गो साइराले दिदीको यसो वाह भयो ल गेम ओभर अब गिफ्ट डिस्ट्रिब्युटिङ टाइम तिम्रो भयो came back from like Talabat. I came upstairs and I got this letter from my grandmother. I just loved it, and I'm wearing the gift that my mom bought me. Slippers, they're so cute. So cute, and I already ate the chocolate and this is almost finished also. And yeah, and I'm really like I just love this toy. I'm really sticking with it. It's so cute. Do you want to see my dog? Hi, baby. Are you jealous of this toy? Are you jealous of this toy? Puku. Yeah, I think this is it for my vlog today because this is it, I guess. So yeah, the program is finished and all of the members from our home already went to their room. So yeah, meet you in my next vlog, guys. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.